Okay, on this question, we have a function. Let me bring it down here. F of x is 5x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first off just distribute. So it'll be 5x sine x plus 5x cos x. And then they want me to take the derivative. So here we go, f prime of x. Okay, so now, how do we take the derivative? Well, we got to realize this is going to be the product rule because we have one function of x multiplied by another, and then we're going to have the same thing over here in a minute too. So first off, remember how the product rule works? You do the derivative of the first one first. They take turns. Derivative of 5x is just 5 because there's a 1 power and it just comes on down. And then you subtract 1 from the power, so it's x to the 0 and it's gone. Times the second function unchanged plus the first function unchanged, 5x, times, in fact, actually, I should probably just do it this way. Let me get rid of that arrow. Times the derivative of the second. Now it's the second one, so derivative of sine is cosine. So that's just this part. In fact, let me change the colors to make it more clear. How about that? I'll make this, in fact, I'll move this over even. 5x cosine x, then it'll be his turn. But so far, I've just done the derivative of this piece. How did I do it? I did the 5x first, and then the second one stays the same. And then the 5x stays the same, and derivative of sine is cosine. Right? So these little arrows I'm drawing are the derivative. The derivative. So that's how the product rule works. They take turns. 5x goes first, sine just stays as it is. Then the 5x stays as it is, and the sine x goes, derivative of sine is cosine. Okay, now it's this guy's turn. Same thing. This guy goes first, derivative of 5x is just 5, and the cosine of x stays as it is. Plus, then the 5x stays as it is, and now it's the derivative of cosine. What's derivative of cosine? Negative sine. Let me draw that there a little better. Here we go. Negative sine. So remember, the derivative of sine is cosine, cosine is negative sine. Derivative of all cofunctions are negative. Maybe that'll be helpful. Co-negative. Okay. So that's basically it. I don't think, can we clean that up at all? No. None of those are really like terms. They factored out a 5 and did some monkey business, but you don't really need to do that. It doesn't matter. You can leave it just like this. This is fine. It's totally good. And and then if it bugs you having this, like you could do that. You could say, okay, I'll just make it 5 sine x. You don't have to though. You could leave it as it is. Plus 5x cos x plus 5 cos x. And this will be positive times negative. This will be negative 5x sine x. That's probably good right there. So you might wonder, can we combine? No, this and this, for example, this is a sine x. This is an x sine x. A little different, unlike terms. And these guys are not the same either. This is an x cos x. This is just a plain cos x. They can't combine. That's it. And then next step, now we'll take f prime of what, 4? So now literally just plug a 4, 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 and make sure you're in radian mode. So go to the Desmos calculator or whatever calculator. Make sure you're in radian mode, right? Because unless it says otherwise, we got to be in radian mode. Hit the buttons on the calculator, and I guess there's the number you will get. And so there we go.